Hey there, have you ever panicked after realizing your Discover card is missing? Don't worry. It's a common issue, and I'm here to guide you through the process of replacing it quickly and securely. In this video, we'll cover the essential steps to get a new card in your hands without any hassle. First things first. As soon as you notice your card is lost, act fast to protect your account from potential fraud. Start by contacting Discover's customer service. You can call their dedicated line at 1-800-DISCOVER or use the Discover mobile app or website for a 24/7 option. When you reach out, clearly report that your card is lost or stolen. They'll guide you through verifying your identity, so have your social security number, account details, or any other required information ready. This step is crucial because it helps freeze your card immediately, preventing unauthorized transactions and giving you peace of mind. Next, once your identity is confirmed, request a replacement card. Discover typically issues a new one within 5 to 7 business days, but you can ask about expedited options if you need it sooner. While you're at it, check your account for any suspicious activity and set up fraud alerts if you haven't already. If you have automatic payments linked to the lost card, update them right away to avoid disruptions. Log into your account online to make those changes easily. Remember, Discover might temporarily increase your account monitoring during this time, which is a good thing for added security. Finally, once your new card arrives, activate it promptly through the app, website, or by calling the number on the back. And there you have it, your Discover card is back in action. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on managing your finances. Stay safe out there.